All right, we've got the Geyoga 5-piece Bouffant caps. So I've got one of them on right here. There's also 4 others. I'll just show you really quick. So you got this one in blue. Great. All of them are great. You got this one right here. You got this one right here. And you've got this one right here. And so, and this is, it says Healthcare Heroes. You can see the design. You can see there's a button right here that goes over this ear, another button that goes over this ear right here. And then we've got this thing right here in the back that easily you can tighten it. You can tighten it and loosen it. And it's got that on all of them. So there's a button on right here, button right here. And then you've got in the back, you've got this thing which tightens and loosens. And so amazing, great for if you're like a healthcare worker or a nurse, but these can be used for all sorts of different things. And they also have a built-in sweatband on them. So that's very nice. But I just think they just look nice. They're very easy to put on, very comfortable. And I think I might just wear this out now. So amazing. Highly recommend.